Start recording. This is gonna be funky. Oh wait, I still have my like mage buffs and stuff. Oh my god. I didn't even know flash rounds existed. But god damn, they're pretty good.
I didn't either until I saw like a random Milford video.
I mean, oh well, he died. Took 31 seconds. That's nice.
Could I fight? Oh my gosh, I
Alright.
just found the most pathetic Crabulon arena of my life. Or
Oh.
Crabulon, it's just mushroom biome. This thing is sad looking. Look at my screen share.
Hold on, I beat the hardest boss in the game. So I have to show mods off, man.